Hi, I'm Jim, and I want to show you how to install the temperature and humidity sensor. I guarantee you this will be the easiest sensor that you ever install. You can actually screw it right into your Modbus block, just like this. Now you might not like the way it sticks out, but it'll actually work like that. The other problem is that this block may be installed inside of an electric box, and you don't necessarily want to know the temperature inside that box. You want to know the temperature inside your pump room. So what we do is we normally send it with this 8-inch cable, and you can just put that on here and let this cable hang out the bottom of your box, and that way you're measuring the temperature and the humidity inside your pump room. But if you want to measure the temperature outside your pump house, you're probably going to need a cable longer than the 8-inch cable. And so for that, what we normally do is we'll send you with this 52-foot long cable. Now this should reach outside your pump house, but if it doesn't, just let us know, because we can actually make you a custom cable to any length that you want. The cable we send you will have this male right angle already on it. And for that, you can just go ahead and put that right into your Modbus block. And then you want to run your cable outside your pump house where you want it to end and cut it to length. The other end's not going to have a fitting on it. Once you cut it to length, you're going to install one of these female straight adapters on it. And you need to make sure you get the color code exactly right. It's brown, white, blue, black. So brown goes into pin number 1, and white goes into pin number 2, blue goes into pin number 3, and black goes into pin number 4. Just follow the color code that we have here on this. So once you get that done, the only thing left to do is to attach your temperature sensor to the end of that. Now, when you get that done, you should see a little green light light up right underneath the quality control sticker. That's assuming you've got everything powered up and everything connected. That light should come on. If you don't see that, then you may have wired it incorrectly. You could do a double check. You could take this temperature sensor off, plug it directly onto your Modbus block, and if the light comes on there but it didn't come on before, then you know you did something wrong in the wiring. And there's nothing you need to do in the dashboard. Once the unit is installed properly, you'll start seeing the air temperature and humidity on your dashboard right here in the site info section. And that's it. Easiest sensor you'll ever install. Of course, if you need any help, let us know. We're glad to help. And thank you for being a customer of Night Owl Monitoring.